Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Aihi. Thank you so much for watching. So today's video is going to be one about my favorite eyeshadow palettes, something that you voted on my poll I did a few weeks back on my Twitter account, and let me tell you, it was hard to choose my favorite palettes because I do have a few, and you know, just to show you my favorite was like, oh my god, I do have to show like every palette that I own. But no, I have I think 6 palettes here with me, but I'm going to keep that video really short. I don't want to be like 40 minutes long a video. I don't believe it has to be like that, but nevertheless, if you want to know more about a palette that I'm going to be showing you today, or maybe like a makeup tutorial or something like that, you can leave me a comment below and I will be happy to film that for you. So the first palette, it's this one by The Body Shop. It's the Down to Earth eyeshadow palette. It has these 4 more natural shades, as you can see. And the nicest thing about this palette is that you can like press here on the back and the eyeshadow will come off, which means you can switch them if you want, you know, and it's so small that you can just put it in your makeup bag and then you're good to go. And this is what I really like about this palette, and the colors are really pigmented. The price on this one as well on the other palettes I will be linking down below. Okay, now moving on to the next one will be this one by ZOEVA, the Caramel Melange. It's made out of cardboard. It doesn't have a mirror on it, which is a bit of a downside for me because I always like, when I do my makeup, just to have the palette on my other hand and looking into the mirror. And as you can see, the colors are super nice. It has 6 matte colors, this one from here, and 4 shimmers. They're pretty nice. Just doing some fast swatches, nothing too crazy. As I said, if you want to know more about these palettes, you can leave me a comment below. Okay, now the other palette that I'm crazy and super obsessed with, it's this one by Urban Decay, the Naked 3 palette. It comes with a mirror, and here you have your shades. It has a variety of mattes and glittery shimmer shades, as you can see, and you can create so many looks using only this palette. You can use to create a daytime makeup look or a smoky eye, which is just amazing. I am like literally obsessed with this palette, and I think that everyone has to have this one. Now another palette that I really like and I'm super obsessed with it, but it's somehow pricey. It's the Icon palette by Charlotte Tilbury. It comes with a mirror in it. The shadows are really bold, as you can see. It has some slight light shadows. You have this beautiful green, this amazing blue shadow. Then you have like these ones here. These ones are my favorite so far. They're super crazy pigmented. I mean, you only apply once and you have a beautiful color. It's amazing. It's an amazing palette, and they have more of a creamy finish which is something that I really love on an eyeshadow palette. Now the next one that I have, and you probably see me using it like in almost every YouTube tutorial that I have done, and also on every picture that I have uploaded on my Instagram and Twitter account, it's the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BHCOSMETICS. It's a colorful palette. It also comes with a mirror in it, and here are the crazy colors that it has. You have your pinks, you have your purples, you have some black shadow, you have greens, blues, yellows, and here you have some more of the gold shimmery shadows, and then here you have two as well shimmer shadows. I am obsessed with this palette. I mean, if you like creating, you know, like super colorful eye makeup looks, and you're more into eye art and you like to create like multiple cut crease and stuff like that, then you really need this palette. And it's not too expensive. I will link the price down below for you. And I do think everyone that wants to create something more bold and to be more creative then has to have this palette. And trust me, you won't regret it. Now the next one will be this one by Pixie, and it's actually my first ever eyeshadow palette. I don't know if you can still find it on the market. I've got this one, I think it was 6 or 7 years ago. I know, and I still have it. I know makeup that it's older than, I don't know, 2 years, it must be thrown away, but you know what? I'm not gonna throw my first ever palette. I'm not going to do that. I mean, who does that? So anyways, here you have these beautiful colors. You have neutrals, you have pinks, you have some purple movie ones shades. Here you have some blushes. Here you have a nice and very soft highlighter and a bronzer. I do like this palette even now after 7 years. I will be using this palette, you know, when I'm on the go, when I travel. This is the first palette that I'm going to put in my makeup bag. I know it sounds crazy, but I still like it, I still wear it, I still use this palette, and I'm really in love with this one. Yeah, so those are my favorite eyeshadow palettes so far. As I said, I wanted to keep this video kind of short, but if you want to know more about them, you can leave me a comment below, and as I said, I will be happy to do that for you. Also, let me know what other favorite products you want to see. Yeah, so I do hope you like this video. As always, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and as well hit that notification bell, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.